Charging ahead. Understanding. Charge my phone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you'll often hear, charge my phone. Let's dive into what it means, how to use it, and some interesting facts about it. Stay tuned. Charge my phone refers to the act of connecting a mobile phone to a power source to replenish its battery. It's a phrase you'll hear often in daily conversations, especially in our technology-driven world. Understanding this phrase is key to grasping everyday English. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in different contexts. Can I charge my phone here? Asking for permission to use a power outlet. I need to charge my phone, it's almost dead. Expressing the need to power up your phone's battery. Do you have a charger? I forgot to charge my phone. Inquiring about a charger when you've forgotten to charge your phone. English is rich with synonyms and variations. Here are some other ways to express the same idea. I need to power up my phone. My phone's battery is low, I need to plug it in. Is there a place I can top up my phone's battery? The phrase also reflects cultural and technological trends. In today's world, having a charged phone is often considered essential for communication, navigation, and even entertainment. This phrase is a small window into how technology has become intertwined with our daily lives. And that's a wrap on Charge My Phone. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, keep charging ahead in your English learning adventure.